How to find out who watched your YouTube videos. Hi everyone, this is Kate and I'm back with another video. Now without any further ado, let's get started with this video. So first of all, we will open up the youtube.com through the Chrome browser. For that, open up your Google Chrome in your mobile device. Now in the search bar, search for youtube.com. Now if you are not logged in with your account, you may need to log into your account. Once you're logged in, you land on this interface, but before that, tap on this three dots icon from the top right corner, and from this drop down menu box, scroll down and then make sure you have choose the desktop site, or you have check mark the checkbox in the desktop site. Now once you have done that, go back to your home page, and from this home page all you have to do is navigate to top right corner and then tap on your profile icon. A menu box will pop up. From there, tap on YouTube Studio. Now you will get your channel dashboard. Now again, from the top left corner, there you will find three-line icon. Tap on it. Again, from this menu box, tap on Analytics. Now under your channel analytics, there you can get number of views in your channel. From here, tap on the audience option from the menu bar at the top of this interface. Now under this audience space, there you can view who watched your YouTube videos. So there are several sections in your interface, as when your viewers are on YouTube, or what time subscriber, and age and gender. If you tap on see more button under age and gender, there you can see all types of gender or age that watched your videos. So you can see from here. Now if you go back again, and if you scroll down a bit, there you will find more option as top geographics, top subtitles or CC language, or what your audience watches, or which channels do your audience watches. So you will be able to get all this type of information. Now in top geographic section, if you tap on see more, and there you will be able to view all the audience from different countries as well. Go back once again and then tap on top subtitles in CC languages, and in this page also you will be able to view all the information regarding subtitles in CC. So this is the way to find out who watches your YouTube video, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video helped you, and if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on next video.